What's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. And today what we're going to do is a little work to my M9A4, my war chief. As you see, I got old girl here, the war chief, my Beretta M9A4. And she has a lot of stuff going on. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff to this gun. I put the compensator on the front, put the Balder Pearl on it, put the mag well, put the magazine extension. I have the War Chief grips on it, and I have a competition trigger that I am not liking. All right, and the reason I do not like it is because the competition trigger takes away the double action. All right, this is, basically makes it to where this is a single action pistol. All right, I do not like that. I do not want my war chief to be single action. So what I did is I got a Volker Precision. See if you can see that. It is Volker Precision. And they say that when it's down in single action, it hits straight down, sits like that in double action. So I'm about to have this changed out, and I do not do any of my trigger work. I take it up there to Shannon, let him do it. And while we're there, I figure I might as well put this on as well. This is a competition hammer. All right, so I'm gonna change the hammer out. So new trigger, new hammer for the war chief. Let's go ahead and take a ride up there. Now we're doing the work on the war chief. Yeah, that's bad.
What happened?
Had it on my Draco.
Oh.
And the flames burnt out the lens. I tried to clean it and it works pretty good, but I think I'm going to have to replace it.
Couldn't imagine you did that on a Beretta.
No, sir. And a guy told me he'll give me $2 grand on the spot for it. And I was like, nah. Probably should have took the money because I probably could have built it right back. But, nah.
I think that was one of the ones that was on the skunk side.
Well, you had to take both sides out, or
Unfortunately, there's no way to get to it from the other side.
gonna give this trigger away to one of the viewers of my channel.
Well, I'll be here.
I knew that if we found the hammer, we'd find the trigger. That's a Volker Precision. Saw a whole lot of good things about it, and that little piece of metal cost over $100. Yeah, I know.
half works. We're worried about the second half.
Okay. Yes, sir. So what would you say is the hardest weapon to work on?
One you have never taken apart.
One you've never taken apart. It's all downhill from there then, huh?
Yeah. I gave up working on Colt Lightning and Thunder revolvers. I decided I'd be happier if I didn't. Almost did. You probably don't have a Colt Thunder in your collection.
No, I do not. No, I do not.
I probably won't. Yep, that'll work.
Okay. Awesome.
Probably take it right back out again. But
Talking about for the hammer.
yeah.
All right, I have double action on my Beretta again.
If you get really lucky, you won't have to pull the bottom end apart, and I can get it stuck down in the top.
Okay.
If we get lucky. If we don't get lucky, then I'm taking the bottom end apart. Press that spring. Yeah, I think it's coming apart.
Oh, okay. Easier to compress it from the back side, huh?
Yeah.
The bottom, rather. Oh, did you get any word from Arthur on that POF?
No, it's one of those things on her to a discuss list, and then kind of the inspection started.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on? I'm sure stuff happening.
You good, Arthur? He's on the phone.
These grips don't use the lock washer?
No. It does not allow for
Yeah.
it.
We need big Charter Pug 357.
I don't know. Do we have one out?
Are they all pugs, John? I don't remember. What color is it? Okay.
Is Charter a good pistol?
They're okay.
Okay. I've never bought one because I was just always wondering whether or not they were any good.
Revolvers, I tend to go for Smith & Wesson. They have a lifetime warranty and they mean it.
No, okay. Well, I got a few Taurus revolvers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
They mean their lifetime warranty, but you're obligated to ship it there.
Oh, you got to ship it there. I've never had an issue with any of mine. No.
They just replaced a 44 for us. The trigger plunger would pop off when you shot it.
Oh, wow.
And apparently they didn't fix it. So they just replaced the whole gun.
Shannon, line 2, Shannon. You got a phone?
Yeah, somewhere.
Line 2 for you.
Double action.
Yeah, double action once again. There it is over there. All right. So here we go. The war chief.
Hey, Johnny.
Hey, Arthur.
Got me busy, brother.
I see they got you strung out, man.
This Shan.
All right, we got the Volker precision trigger on it. Do have the Volker precision trigger. Let's see if I can. Let me switch hands. Have the skeletonized competition trigger on it now. And we have more surface area in the back. So, oh yeah, this is awesome. So there we go. There we go. Oh, and I like that trigger.
All right, we are back from Arrowhead, and Shannon has went on and installed this Volker Precision trigger on here for me. And he has also put the skeletonized competition hammer on there. So we are good to go with that. And as you see, when you are in single action, the trigger is almost vertical, and there's the, there we go. Let's get the release on that. There it is. And so this is an awesome trigger. It is an awesome trigger. It's almost like the way the trigger is, it makes it a little bit easier in double action. And I hate that I lost the double action function with the trigger that I took off, and I had to get my double action back. But this is an awesome trigger. I love it. I love it. I love it. And as far as the look of the hammer, you know, you can see that that hammer right there looks pretty cool on there. It does look pretty cool. Does look pretty cool. So this is the War Chief now with the Volker Precision trigger on it and the skeletonized competition hammer. All right. If you guys think of anything else besides an RDO, I already know which one I'm putting on there. But if you think of anything else that I should do to this, let me know. You know, and to finish the journey with me, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, notifications, and Johnny Snow up out of here.